Sri Guru Namaha, Sri Acharya Guru Namaha. Welcome to my Mridanga Videos List episode number 2286. Here I am going to present an interesting pattern of Mohra Mukta Mugutu in Aditalam. This Mohra is set to 96 years and the Mukta is set to 48 years each. Hope you will enjoy my non-stop video series on varieties of Mohra and Mukta and Muguntus in various talas without repeating any idea or pattern so far since last 2285 days non-stop. You can log into my YouTube channel Dr. P. Srinivas Gopal at the rate of Shama Shastri Jayanti to find in all my videos in that. Let me demonstrate this more for you. This is an interesting pattern, progression you can see. Target dikita takadina, tadikita takadina, takadam, the tankata takadina, tadikita takudin, takadam, the tankata touchim, tantum touchim. Targata dikita takadina, tadikita takudina, takadam, the tankata dikita takadina, tadikita takud, takadam, the tankata touchim, tantum touchim. Targata dikita takadina, tadikita takudina, takadam, the tankata dikita takadina, tadikita takudin, takadam, the tankata touchim. Targata dikita takadina, tadikita takudina, takadam, the tankata touchim. Targata dikita takadina, tadikita takudin, takadam, the tankata targata dikita takadina, tadikita takudina, takadam, targata dikita takadina, tadikita takud, takadam, targata dikita takadina, tadikita takudin, takadam, Tajum, tajum, takardam, tang, tajum, takardam, tang, takardam, dikita takadina, tadikita takud, takardam, targata dikita takadina, tadikita takud, takardam, targata dikita takadina, tadikita takud. Takardam, tajum, takardam, 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 tang, tajum, takardam, 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 dikita takadina, tadikita takud, takardam, dikita takadina, tadikita takud, takardam, dikita takadina, tadikita takud. Takardam, tajum, takardam, takardam, tang, tajum, takardam, takardam, tang, tajum, takardam, dikita takadina, tadikita takud, takardam, tajum, dikita takadina, tadikita takud. Takardam, tajum, dikita takadina, tadikita takud. Takadam, takajum. Hope you are like this.